How to view one-time photos and videos after they disappear on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp. Make sure to sign into your account. Tap three dots at top right. Navigate to settings. Scroll down. Look for chats. Scroll to the bottom and tap chat backup. Now you can easily choose your Google account and then choose your frequency. Then tap on backup button. You need to wait until the messages has been backing up. And once the messages are backed up, you'll be required to exit from WhatsApp. Now launch File Manager on your device or simply Files application. Tap on internal storage at bottom left. Now navigate to Android. Choose Media. And here you will see COM WhatsApp. Simply tap on three dots. And here you need to tap Rename. And here you simply need to delete O and make it cm.whatsapp. Now tap on OK button. And after that, you simply need to reinstall WhatsApp. Long press on WhatsApp and tap on trash icon. Tap on Install and reinstall from Play Store. And after that, you simply need to launch WhatsApp and there you will see the restore button. You simply need to restore all your messages, photos and videos, and from there you can easily view one-time photos and videos after even they disappear on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.